Hello and welcome to another episode of Supercalifragilistic with me, Christian Rauchenwald. In today's episode, I'm going to share with you how you can properly track your affiliate links in order to increase your results and therefore your revenue. But before we get to that, let's talk about the why. Why should you track your affiliate links or other links for that matter? If you are a digital or affiliate marketer, you are eventually going to share your affiliate or promotional links with other people, post them on Facebook, comment them on YouTube, place them in your YouTube video descriptions, in your blog posts and in multiple other locations. And if you've done everything right, at the end of the month, you will see that you have revenue generated through those links. But unless you know which link specifically worked for you and generated that revenue, you're basically steering your ship blindfolded and you don't know where it's worth to put more effort into and which of your efforts don't pay off. Let's assume you're really active and you're texting a lot on Facebook, you're commenting there, you're writing your own posts, you're also active on YouTube in one or two blogs, maybe you have your own blogs and other social media, and everywhere, whenever it fits, you obviously place your affiliate link. Now, you shouldn't just spam your affiliate links, that's obviously not the way to success with affiliate marketing, but sooner or later you eventually will post them somewhere publicly, either because people ask for it or because it just fits to the topic that's discussed or described on a certain page. Now, since your day only has a certain amount of hours available, you need to pick your battles. If you don't know if your links from Pinterest bring you the money compared to your links from on YouTube, then you cannot scale properly because you will keep doing both when in fact only one of them may be the source of your revenue. So tracking your affiliate link means that you will know which links generate the revenue for you, but it also means that you know exactly which of your efforts are working and which of your efforts are not working yet and where you may have to change your approach. Now that we've clarified the why you should track your affiliate link, let's talk about the how. It actually is quite easy. All you have to do is use a link shortening service or a link forwarding service. For example, like bit.li, which allows you to take your affiliate link, shorten it to a nice looking bit.li URL, which also will make your link look more natural and not that obviously look like an affiliate link, and will provide you with a simple statistic as to how many people clicked on your link. However, with the free service of bit.li, there are certain problems involved. First of all, you cannot change or update your links. Imagine a product or service that you're promoting has one link during their pre-launch period, and once the product finally launched or when they update it or when they release a version 2.0, the affiliate link changes. Now you would have to go back to every place where you posted your affiliate link or your bit.li link and edit the post or the content and update the link to match the new URL, or when people now click on your affiliate link, they may end up on a 404 error page and you will not get commission because they will not be able to buy the product or sign up. So that's one of the huge downsides with bit.li, that you're not able to actually modify links later on. On top of that, unfortunately, the statistics that bit.li provides you with are basic at best and don't allow you really to figure out what's happening, what's going on. If you would want to track affiliate links, you would actually have to create multiple variations of the same link in order to see then somebody clicked on the comment where you left the link and somebody else clicked on the link in the YouTube video description. And it's a lot of effort and it's really not the best practice to do. It pretty much comes down to you get what you pay for. Thankfully, there's also a solution for all of that. There's a software out there that's developed specifically for marketers, and it's called ClickMagick. What it does is quite similar to bit.li. Instead of automatically shorten your links, it basically works as a link forwarding service. So you simply put in your affiliate link and then you get a link that you can use to post on Facebook, in comment sections and wherever you need it. Now, why is ClickMagick the right choice to go with? It's quite simple, because they allow something that's called sub-IDs, which means if you have your regular affiliate link and then you generate your ClickMagick link, you can post your ClickMagick links and simply type /Facebook/blog post or /Facebook/comment slash YouTube slash video ID. So you can add up to 5 different so-called sub IDs. Your link will still work like it usually would. However, those sub IDs will help you track, because when somebody clicks on the link, those sub IDs will show up in the statistics of your ClickMagick dashboard, allowing you to see exactly which of your links are working or not. On top of that, you can export all the clicks that happened during a specific time period, and then in Google Sheets or Excel or just in the web interface, analyze how many clicks did you get on which links specifically. But enough theory, let's take a look at the ClickMagick dashboard and also at the best practice on how to use it and how to post and share your links whenever you are promoting something. Once you're logged in on your main screen, you will always see the basic statistics of how many clicks you've had today, how many of them have been flagged, which means they are likely not real clicks by real users, but are visits from, for example, the Facebook bot or the Google bot. Now, once you click on links in the top menu, you will be able to see your recent statistics. You can filter by link groups, you can filter by time frame, and I usually just look on today's time frame. As you can see, our most recent click here was on one of our ClickFunnels short trial links, and that's alone not really useful information because we do not know where that click came from. So when we click on unique clicks here, it expands and we see some statistics. And we see that this link actually came from some page where we didn't use or specify a sub ID, so we are still as clueless as before. Now, if we take another link here, for example, for ClickFunnels Funnel Builder's Secrets package, and we expand it, we can see that today we had 2 clicks on our links here, and we can see the sub ID Christian Rauchenwald, which means it was a link on our homepage. And when I go on this eye icon here, I can see in the pop-up that it was from the resources page on the homepage. And the second link was from the blog, from blog post ID 2867 and from an FAQ entry, which could theoretically mean that it either was directly from the blog or it could also have been from Google search results where those FAQs show up and the link may also be visible. But it already helps us to narrow down which links are working and which links are not. In fact, if we increase the time period and say, for example, all time, and pick the link for our Facebook group here, then we can easily see which of our links work best. So if I were to export this, or even on first glance, I can already see while we get a few clicks from YouTube and from the blog to our Facebook group, the majority of clicks actually comes from within Facebook. And once we look into that further, we see that the majority of clicks actually comes from Irina's Facebook profile, and they're from the link that she has in the bio. But obviously, so if we were to take this ClickMagick link by clicking here and copying it, placing a link like Facebook, profile, Irina, and so on would also look ugly, and people would start wondering why all those sub IDs are added there. So whenever we post links publicly so that the person actually can see the link, then we still use bit.ly to simply shorten that link. So in the end, we would end up posting this bit.ly link or adding that in the location where we actually want to have our affiliate link, while still having the benefit that anytime, for example, we would want to change or the link to our Facebook group would change, we could simply update it here and wouldn't have to worry, all our old links would still work properly. The bit.ly link always will resolve to this link, and that link will always resolve to whatever we add here. Now, there is a lot of other features that ClickMagick comes with. For example, you can split test your URLs. So using one affiliate link or link that you post somewhere, you can define different destinations. For example, you may have multiple weight loss programs that you promote. So you could place the same affiliate link everywhere and set up a split test with up to 11 destinations in ClickMagick. And when people click on your affiliate link or on your ClickMagick link in that case, they will be split up depending on defined percentages. And eventually you will be able to see which of the weight loss programs converts best for you, and you simply focus on promoting that offer more. But it doesn't stop there. ClickMagick also allows you to add your Facebook pixel to your links, which enables you basically to build a custom audience for people that clicked on all of your links or on specific links, and show them targeted Facebook ads, for example, as well, which by itself is a unique way that you are able to create retargeting ads for people that clicked on your affiliate links for a specific offer, increasing the results that you generate from your affiliate efforts. There's also a bunch of other things that you can do with ClickMagick, but I'm not going to go into this right now because it would go way beyond the topic of how and why you should track your affiliate links. The last thing I'd like to mention here is that ClickMagick actually, even on their cheapest plan, offers a 4-hour support, which means you will get a response and a solution within 4 hours. And their support is not only limited to requests regarding ClickMagick, but they are also happy to provide you with answers to other topics. So you no longer have to deal with replies like, "I'm sorry, this is not an issue related to ClickMagick, please reach out to the support at company X," but they will actually try to help you with other issues as well. Now, all that's left for you to do is click on the link in the description below to start your free ClickMagick trial and test it for yourself. And you probably will fall in love with it like we did when we first learned about it, because it will finally provide you with one interface, one place where you will see the results of all your efforts, which will make it easy for you to adjust your approach and figure out which of your efforts are working and what is not working yet properly. Now, before you go, don't forget, let me know in the comments below if you're already using link tracking software. Maybe you're using something else. Maybe you're using bit.li. Let me know which service are you using. Do you think it's better than ClickMagick? If it's better, then point out why you think it's better. And if you're not using ClickMagick yet and you're not planning to start using it, then let me know in the comments down below why you think you don't need the benefits of the advanced statistic, the sub-IDs, the split testing for your links, and so on. This is it for today. If you were able to take something positive or valuable away from this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. And if you haven't already, hit that subscribe button so you don't miss our future content. Thanks for watching. See you next week with another episode of Super Califanilistic. Till then, bye-bye.